jerky.
Hey guys, welcome back to part 2.
So I tried this before, and I didn't really like it, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it now.
Me, I'm excited. I'm excited to taste it. It actually smells pretty good because I can smell it from there. It smells pretty good, so I'm excited to taste it, but I'm also kind of nervous because my brother said that they didn't really like it, and so I'm kind of nervous because I'm hoping it will kind of taste like Slim Jim. All right,
Smells like Slim Jim.
Yeah, it smells like Slim Jim. It's like kind of like rough almost. It's like a rough texture almost.
It kind of
like
smells
a hard
like something.
rubbery.
Not exactly, but kind of. That's kind of weird.
So here's what it looks like.
Feels like a toilet, some type of fake toilet.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll taste good.
Like rubbery almost. Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. It tastes
Oh.
like Slim Jim.
It's hard.
I don't know.
Okay, this is hard to chew.
It tastes like.
Tastes like
I don't know.
nothing now.
I don't know what it tastes like. Maybe it's kind of spicy, a little spicy. It's kind of good, kind of bad at the same time. I don't know if I would eat it on the daily, but it's okay.
It's a 0 for me. This is it's very rough. It's very hard to chew, and it does not taste good at all.
It's okay.
I give this a 0.
I would give this like a 5. Well, because like it has no taste to it, but I don't know. But it's still good.
It's decent.
Yeah.
I give it probably a 5 out of 10, maybe. It's okay.
Okay. Okay. So now I pick these TGI Fridays potato skin snacks chips. It looks like it has
Cheddar and bacon
Ugh!
is the kind.
What's wrong?
I thought that was barbecue.
Yeah,
That
it's
is
cheddar and
barbecue.
bacon. Doesn't really sound like a good combination to me.
But it smells.
Oh.
I don't know.
I still have some of the beef jerky stuck in my teeth.
Yeah, it's stuck right here.
For the
It smells like
beef,
regular chips.
For the beef jerky,
It smells like potato skins, just normal potato skins. I would say the same.
there's no like spice to it. Oh,
Taste
boy.
this. What's up there? I see the
Oh.
cheese. Alright.
All right.
Kind of stuff.
3, 2, 1.
No, that's not bad. That's pretty good, actually.
It's
That's
fine.
actually really good.
It's good, but not good at the same time because the first taste tastes like a chip, but the aftertaste is not good.
This tastes good. You guys might be wondering why we still have our juices up. Because the juice is very good. Like, I know we said it was good, but it's...
The juice is
I
dope,
drink
guys.
this like every day if I could. This is good.
The potato skins are pretty decent.
It's a good combo too, the juice and this.
Yeah,
I like it.
I would recommend you guys to taste it one day. Okay, guys, so our next snack is chicken salad with crackers, ready to eat. So here's what it looks
I'm
like.
not ready to eat that.
Yeah, it definitely doesn't sound good. The crackers don't really look good, but
It only sounds like crackers are in there.
Yeah. Hey guys, make sure you guys also comment what other videos you would like to see, like if it's tasting videos like what we're doing right now, challenge videos, anything. Even gaming, reactions, you know, anything that you guys would like to see. Because there's plenty of stuff that we could do right now. And since we're all at home right now, I'm sure you guys would like to watch some pretty interesting stuff.
Or maybe we could do like a overnight challenge in the tent.
That's
Hi,
a very good
guys.
idea.
Alright, so
The
here
nutrient.
is what we're... Ew!
Did you hear that?
Ew. Okay, guys, this looks
Can I do it?
bad.
It's a cracker.
All right, so each person is gonna take a spoon, this spoon, to kind of dip it on their chip.
Reminds me of tuna. When you get tuna and it gets your Ritz crackers. I don't think it's gonna taste like it though.
I mean, I'm kind of excited to taste it.
I don't know. Not me.
What type of spoon is this?
I'm still.
Okay,
not
guys.
ready.
And which way do I do it? This.
This
way?
smells like tuna. Yeah, I think it is tuna. I'm not sure. It says it's
Thank
chicken
you.
salad. It
Is
doesn't
this
even say
enough?
tuna. Well, it smells like tuna, guys. And the texture is like kind of weird, but
Yeah, smell it. Yeah. Okay.
I think the thing
need way more than
might
that.
wanna do is like smoothen it out.
nah.
I know what you want.
Oh! Oh, is
Wait,
that
so
wait? Is that a
chunky.
jalapeno?
That's like
Don't tell me
A
this
pepper.
is.
looks like a pepper.
Don't
I don't
tell
know
me
what
this
it
is. What is it
Looks
called?
bad though.
Garbage.
Garbage. What is
Well,
this
it
called?
seems like yeah.
What? Alright.
Look at Ant.
Sorry,
He's
Ant,
trying
man.
to steal our food.
I'm pretty
Ooh,
sure.
you're right. It actually does smell like tuna.
Get ready to
Yeah,
taste
that's
this,
my
guys.
Not savage. Yeah. Alright.
Oh. Okay, 3, 2,
So nice.
1.
Ugh. Oh no. Mm-mm.
Mm.
I can't figure it out.
Not too bad. It kind of tastes like tuna, actually. It's not too bad.
That is nasty.
It's not as bad as I thought it would be. It's actually not that bad to me. Pretty decent.
See, for me, tuna has to be homemade from someone that knows how to make tuna. This tuna is not it.
I like it. Yeah. If it was tuna, but it's actually chicken salad.
I mean, yeah, it's not tuna.
Oh wait. Wow. It
What?
kind of tastes like chicken soup in a way. In a way, it kind of tastes like chicken soup. If you ever had chicken soup, it kind of tastes like that.
Well-
Just like thicker to me.
I mean, it's not bad, but it definitely is bad. Like, it's not bad, but not something I would eat.
What do you think about it, Esther?
Tastes better with beef jerky.
You tried it with the beef jerky. Okay.
All right. Do
Beef
you
jerky
want
family.
to pick our?
I'll pick another one of ours. Ooh, it looks like we only have like 2 things left. Let's see. Let's try. I'll do this one.
Chicken crackers.
Chicken crackers. I'm not sure why it's chicken, but it's crackers. Chicken and
do you-
crackers. What?
So do they put the chicken in the crackers?
I don't know.
Then we eat
I don't really
living
understand.
chickens? Or is it eggs in the crackers? You know, I hate eggs.
Wait.
Does it smell like chicken?
Smell.
I had a feeling that it would probably smell like a ramen noodle kind of chicken
It's-
seasoning.
I don't know. It
Smells
smells.
like nothing.
The only that it smells good.
Oh
It does
no,
not
that does
smell
smell like it smells like those chicken squares.
That's
The chicken
weird.
squares that like seasoning that you put in ramen noodles almost.
Kind of smells like that in a way. Yeah. I'll try one.
I've been eating just turkey.
It almost smells like Parmesan. I don't know why. Oh, it
Yeah,
does
like a
smell-
Parmesan cheese.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay.
3, 2,
Wait. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
It's nowhere like chicken.
I think it kind of tastes like chicken. Oh, in a way, but not a good type of chicken. It
This
tastes okay.
doesn't taste good.
Do we have any
It's
more juice
okay.
left?
Yeah, no more juice left. Sadly. Well, I'll definitely buy
Guys,
it.
this I give it like a 5 out of
$1.
10. It's not bad, but I don't like the seasoning on top of it.
It's not too bad. I think it's okay. Not bad though. What do you think about it?
Let's eat this. It's like
Let's
garbage.
not eat that.
Why?
It says do not eat.
It says eat it now.
That was okay. Not that good though.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. And
Final
for the grand
item.
finale,
The final-
last but not least, we have our
Kinder
Ginger.
Ginger slaps.
Ginger snaps
Snaps.
cookies.
ginger snap cookies.
They
I
actually
have a-
look good.
Yeah, they look good. I have a feeling they're probably gonna taste like a hard, crisp, gingerbread, like
Easy, boy.
a gingerbread
Can I
man
pop
cookie
it?
almost. That's what I have a feeling it's
It's gonna open up at the bottom.
So then I opened up at the bottom.
How about?
Okay. But wait. Wow, I'm gonna
Jordan's scared
The
of the bee
bee just
again.
hit.
The bee's going.
Okay, I can't do
You can
it.
sit down. Ow. Alright. Let's try these. Wait. Ooh, it smells like
good.
ginger.
Oh,
Or cinnamon,
no.
kinda. Yeah.
cinnamon toast crunch.
It doesn't smell
Oh,
like
I'm
that.
excited for
It
this.
smells
Oh,
more like
guys, this
cinnamon
smells
than it does
good.
smell like ginger.
It smells like a spiced ginger almost.
Yeah, I know what.
All right, for our grand finale. Again, tell us if you guys want more challenges like this.
Okay, 3.
Let's
All
cheers
right,
for
Let's
the
cheers
final.
for the grand
No,
finale.
6 feet away.
No, it's
Cheers.
fine.
Let's
No.
just do.
All right. 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Okay.
It's hard.
Oh, I can't bite it, guys. That's like,
Oh.
oh no.
I thought it would be soft.
Oh. Mm-mm. Oh.
Tastes spicy.
Oh no. That tastes like,
Oh, wow.
it tastes like laundry detergent.
You ate some
Ah.
before? Well, to make it taste
It
better,
tastes like the
let's
smell
just
of laundry
grab some
detergent.
Maybe it tastes good, but it is so rough. Like, this more of a cookie that you would take one bite out of it, and then like,
Anyone else?
yeah, for me, I usually just eat my cookies whole and just eat it. But not for these type of cookies. That's not the right idea. Probably
This
shouldn't do
cookie
that.
is not my favorite, definitely
Very
not.
rough.
Yeah, please don't try these, but unless you
I had high expectations.
want to
But-
try them, then go
Go for
ahead.
it.
But
Well, since
the garbage.
I mean, my favorite, honestly, my favorite was our potato skins. They weren't too bad, and they're definitely something that I would eat if it was the only snack that I had in a pantry. What about you, Jaden? What was your favorite?
I really like these. The wafers. The wafers are my favorite. I really like these, and I already knew I was gonna like them at first. As soon as we got them, I was like, "Oh, this is gonna be my favorite one." I already knew it.
And the worst one, I think, for all of us, the worst one was our wasabi peas. But you never
Oh,
know.
wait.
Maybe it's always better on the second try. So I think
Maybe
we should
second
try.
time is a charm.
I think we should try our wasabi peas again. Like maybe. Oh, you know what? I think we would get. I think we should try a handful of wasabi peas.
No!
I'm
No,
running
you're
away.
going too
I
far.
think we should go at least like 5 a piece, five and a half.
Well, I'm
and then the
going
whole
1.
thing.
I'm going 10. I'm going 10.
Let's
I'm
go
going for you
5.
guys, though.
You're going 10?
I'm going 10. You know what?
I'll get-
Sure, I'll eat all of these.
I'll get some.
Might as
more.
well.
Oh, look at
This is about 10, guys.
And this is about like.
Should we,
2
like,
of
put it
them.
all in
So
our
1,
mouth?
2, 3,
Let it
4,
cry.
5,
Oh,
6,
no.
Alright,
7,
who wants
8,
to go first?
Well, I'm taking these
Who's
with
saying
me.
3, 2, 1?
3.
We don't have anything to drink with it.
I'll go 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, huh.
Don't
Nothing. Oh, yeah, again.
I
Oh,
didn't
it's
eat
bad.
them. Haha.
Yo, I'm out. No,
Oh, they're bad.
I need my
I need
banana.
water. Where's the hose at?
Guys, I think
those wasabi peas, definitely not it. I'm not giving it a third chance. The handful idea was definitely not something I would do ever again. Please stop.
sorted.
It's not something I would ever do again. It's very nasty. The minute I put them in my mouth, I felt my tongue and my cheek burn instantly. And I thought, the first thing I thought was, oh, I'm about to cry. This was burning, it was burning my eyes, and it was just nasty.
My
It
whole
was,
nerve system just stopped. That's
it
why
just-
I froze.
yeah, it just is not it, guys, you guys. I don't know who likes it, but comment down below if you guys like it. And comment down below if you guys also liked our reaction and this video altogether. We're gonna go ahead and end this video though. We hope you guys really enjoyed it, and
Make sure to like
make
this
sure to
video.
like, subscribe,
Subscribe,
and comment down below, and stay tuned for more videos.
And hit the notification bell.
Yep, so you guys can get notified and won't miss any of our videos.
And share our videos with others too.
Yep.
Thank
they
you.
can subscribe.
And